Is NEET mandatory for getting BSc Nursing admissions? A lot of children are having this confusion. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about the premium institutes that require a NEET score for giving admissions and the other institutes that conduct a different examination. My name is Sreevidhya Santhosh and I provide unbiased guidance when it comes to higher education, premium institutes, entrance examinations, etc. AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, is one institute that every medical aspirant would look forward. AIIMS offer BSc Nursing program. There are 14 institutes that comes under AIIMS that offer a BSc Nursing. But the 966 seats that are under AIIMS are only reserved for female candidates. AIIMS conduct a separate entrance examination for BSc Nursing entry. It does not require a NEET score. In the year 2023, the exam is gonna happen on 3rd of June. So you have to apply for this examination and write the examination on June 3rd for getting a seat in AIIMS Institute. If you're looking forward for a BSc Nursing seat in institutes like JIPMER, Maulana, Lady Hardinge, etc., you have to write NEET examination. NEET 2023 is falling on 7th of May. You need a NEET score for getting a BSc Nursing admission in these type of institutes. Please make sure that after getting the NEET score, you upload the score in their respective sites, and whenever these institutes call for an application, please don't think that like I've already applied for my NEET examination, so I don't have to apply in their site. It does not work like that. The respective sites will have an application form. You have to register there. If you don't register in their sites, then even if you write your NEET examination and get a score, you will not be eligible for the admission in these institutes. Another service that everybody looks forward is military nursing service. If you're planning to get into military nursing service, please make sure that you write your NEET UG examination. But it does not stop there. After getting your UG score, you have to write another examination which has been conducted by the military nursing, and then there is a medical examination too. I have made a detailed video on the different steps to get into military nursing service. If you have not watched that video, please click the I button and watch that video to get a detailed idea on what military nursing service is and what are the different steps that you have to go through for getting into the service. If you are looking forward for a seat in any of the institutes of different states, please note that different states have got their own admission policies. Some of the states utilize the NEET score for giving admissions, for setting the ranks. And some other states conduct their own examinations, and using that score, they will give admissions for BSc Nursing program. And there are few other states that does not conduct any examination. They will use the 12th grade score for setting a rank, and then they give admission for the BSc Nursing program. So if you are looking for a state quota BSc Nursing program, please look into the eligibility criteria and the examinations that are set by the different states. So in general, we can't say that everybody who is looking forward for a seat in BSc Nursing should write NEET examination. No, it is not mandatory. But there are few institutes, that also the top premium institutes of India, that will ask for a NEET score if you are planning to get an admission for BSc Nursing in their institutes. Good luck.